And it appears large employers have been struggling to adapt to all the provisions of the law. WMDT's Jemmy Lee sat down with local experts who weigh in on the issue.
It's just very annoying.
Frustration builds as the reality of Obamacare sets in.
One piece of the legislation that has made changes already are employers cutting employees' hours.
By 2015, employers with at least 50 full-time 30-hour employees will be required to provide health insurance or pay a hefty $3,000 fine for each uninsured employee. And insurance experts worry it could create some friction.
We've seen employers starting to cut hours down to 28 and 25 hours, such that they would not be subject to a penalty for that employee.
And that's exactly what Katie France says has happened to her.
My job that I currently have, it's part-time, and they don't want to let me be full-time because they don't want to pay me benefits, and I don't even need the benefits because I have it through my husband.
And some employers have found that from a financial standpoint, they'd be better off just paying the penalty. And these tax penalties have nothing to do with revenue, something licensed insurance consultant Chris Carroll is concerned about.
A company with 45 employees making $20 million a year has no tax penalty. An employer with 55 employees with $1 million loss could be facing a $70,000 a year tax penalty. They already have $1 million loss. Where does that money come from?
But he's confident businesses will find a way to manage.
I hope that businesses are able to put pressure on the system to highlight and show some of the incongruences that are built in the law. And I think that will lead to change.
Jemmy Lee, WMDT 47 News.